Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of The Red Pot. I'm Adam. I haven't said that once since we started doing this. Today we're doing carbonara.
And for you, sir?
I will have the gabagool.
With a little bit of a twist. It's not a big twist, so traditionalist, you can whatever. But don't worry, it's still carbonara.
If the salad is on top, I send it back.
It's only 5 plus 1 ingredient from normal. Well, it's normally 5 and I'm adding one thing. If you got a small kitchen like me, you don't have a lot of toys and tools like I do, and you're just lacking a little know-how, hit the subscribe button and I'll show you how. Make some carbonara. To start out, we're going to need some diced pancetta, 2 eggs, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, and some form of pasta. I have bucatini here, which is like a long spaghetti with holes down the middle of it. So you're gonna need to start to cook the pancetta in a cold pan, let the fat run out slowly. In a bowl, you're going to crack your 2 eggs. You want 1 full egg and 1 yolk. Use the shell that you broke off to get any little bits of shell out. Add in your Parmesan cheese, add in a lot of Parmesan cheese. And now here's where we get to the point where everybody gets all pissy and everything like that. Sour cream, that's the 6th ingredient. We're adding sour cream.
Madman. You're a madman.
Yeah, I know. Trust me. It's gonna be fine. Haters gonna hate. It adds a nice little like zing to it, so it's not just so super rich and like way too heavy. I've done it before. It's okay. It's okay.
This is blasphemy. This is madness.
It's okay. If you want to do it without, it's fine. There's a million recipes out online on how to do it without. I'm gonna do it this way. Try it. It's really, really good.
Madness. This is
Red Pot. Whisk everything together. Add a bunch of cranks of black pepper. Add your pasta to your pot. You should add your pasta. Your pot should be boiling before you add the pasta. Before you add the start cooking the pancetta. But whatever, I did it out of order. So now that the pasta's cooked, we're gonna add it into our pan with the pancetta. You want to try to get as much of that starchy water in there as well. That'll help slow down any of the cooking and help disperse some of the fat from the pancetta. Add some of the pasta water into your egg mixture and whisk it all up. This is going to help temper your eggs so you don't end up with scrambled eggs. The sour cream is a little bit of a safety net too, just for the record. Also, it tastes good. Then add that into your pan and oh shit, there's too much water. Crap, it's too thin. What do we do? You blew it! We just leave it on the heat, guys. Just keep on cooking it, tossing it around. The eggs will coagulate? We're gonna say coagulate. The eggs are gonna coagulate. Coagulate. The eggs are gonna do stuff and thicken everything up. And you're gonna have a nice, rich, creamy pasta without adding actual cream. But you have the sour cream. I know. Trigger warning, everyone. Jeez. So again, just toss it up. You can see here, it's starting to thicken up. It's starting to coat the pasta nicely. It's absorbing into the pasta as well. And there we have a nice, creamy pasta, carbonara. At this point, add some extra seasoning, add your extra black pepper. And as you're going to see in a minute, I'm grating on a bunch of extra parm. I had some toasted breadcrumbs from something else, and I added a little bit of green onions to the top. And it's just that simple. It's carbonara. It's done. It's easy to make. If you start your pasta water boiling right before you hit the pancetta in the pan, it takes 10 minutes to make tops. And it's one of the best pastas there is. It's one of the best dishes you can make at home. And it's super easy. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you learned something. Hope you get to try this out at home. If you do try any of these recipes, hit me up at _Red Pot on Instagram. Send me your photos. If you have any questions about anything that I'm doing, hit me up in the comments. If you have any suggestions for things that you want to see done, write it in the comments below. Don't forget to like. And again, if you got a small kitchen like me, you don't got a lot of tools like me, but you're just missing some know-how, hit the subscribe button and I'll teach you how to cook great food at home. And I'll see you next week. And I'll see you next week.